That was hard. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy DZ. We're here with Legacy today. You feel me? The man behind the magic of the Go to My Mom side, Big Mom. You feel me? Today, we going back to the car videos. I know I ain't really, I've been lacking on the content. I be saying this every time I make a new video.
No, it's cold outside.
It's cold, bro. It's cold. It's New York, bro. We can't really do anything. It's
ain't Cali, alright? We ain't DDE.
It's salt on the grounds and all this, bro. We can't really do anything. So, I mean, my car is parked up. I drive it every now and then, but I mean, we got a couple dudes that still bring their cars out. We seeing our boy Ty. He has a fire Silvia right-hand drive, nice turbo noises, all that. We're gonna get some POV driving. That's literally how his car sounds, bro. So we gotta get some fire POV driving clips. I need to swing that logo. We gonna see. We heading up to Ty right now. We will see y'all when we get there.
Oh, yo, what's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Yo, Night Off, say what's up, bro. Night Off, say what's good to the vlog, bro.
Walking donut, yeah, it's stick going, and I'm sturdy under pressure. Keep it P and that's just me. She light up when I text her.
Yeah, bro, I drove it before. This shit was pressure, but I can't wait. Yo, I'm hyped, bro. I'm hyped. My son Ty letting me. Yo, bro. Yo, chilling, bro. Yo, so what we doing? Real quick, give these people a little rundown of the whip. Feel me? Already know what this is, but just real quick, what we got here? What we doing?
This right here is my 95 Nissan Silvia S14, obviously. Yo, right hand drive straight in the place. I don't know the full history on the car. Obviously, it was imported, so I don't know the previous owner. But from what I've done to it, we got a Greddy front mount intercooler, Greddy fuel pressure regulator. We got some GMR 18 by 10.5 inch wheels.
Where's the controller at? What we doing? What suspension are we on?
Obviously, it's airlift. Hold on.
Oh man, wait a minute. You got a drift car on bags?
No.
You can't drift a bag car, right? Yeah, out of here, dude. A little bit differently. Listen, man, static, keep that shit in Florida, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, how long you had it, bro?
I got it, last May? Last May.
The plate?
Not a full year yet, but we wrapped it. It's white underneath the wrap.
So how you liking it? Almost 1 year review, what you think?
Honestly, of all the cars I own, I've had about 7 right now. This is my favorite by far.
Yeah.
Take the cake.
This is hard. What's your favorite feature of the car, bro?
Gotta be the SR20.
Yeah, man. Nah, the SR20 sounds nice. We slided this thing today, bro. This thing slides, and it's on bags, bro.
Within reason.
Within reason. Nah, I ain't gonna trip. We gonna figure it out. We gonna get some fire B-roll for y'all. Night Off pulling up. And we about to go crazy. So stay tuned. Silvia, POV driving, big mob. You already know how we mob the nigga. Let's get it, bro. You do not miss. All right, my guy. We about to get to getting. Let's get it. Let's get it. We about to go crazy. Yeah. All right. We got the buckets in this bitch. Let's get it though.
Look at his organized coins though.
It's the organized coins.
Organized coins.
It's the organized coins for me.
This is weird. Where's the steering wheel? Whip that shit!
Oh my
Whip it! Whip it!
Jesus fucking
Jesus! Damn! God damn!
No idea how fast I'm going right now.
Yo, boy, you hit like 85
kilometers right now. Yeah. I don't know what 80 kilometers is. Maybe this is like, I gotta add a little doing math.
You gotta do something about it.
Yeah, I don't know. It's
I don't know.
Like 45.
We picked up. I just know we picked up. Yeah. Shift that. Shift that. Jesus have mercy. Oh my God.
This shit is nasty, bro. I ain't gonna lie. What is this guy doing? What you doing? Hello?
Come on now. Nasty.
You know what I know he's gonna do it to you?
What?
Record it?
What? I'm getting too close to this side?
Yeah.
It's fucking bad.
I noticed that,
It's
like-
cooking me. I see you keep looking over there. I was just fucking up real bad.
God damn.
When you drive in, right-hand drive, it's like cut the road into 3 sections, the lane. So 1, middle is 2, this is 3. So try and stay in like 2 and 1. I'm over here in 2.5. and shit, you feel me? 2 and a quarter.
Niggas having to move over.
Don't, bro. I don't know. Regular? Both. Yeah. Wait, no. Press it? Oh, that's high boost. Heard you. Heard you. Oh, no.
Can't get no traction, just spinning wheels.
You want to spin now?
How much power this shit got?
It got a decent amount. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, nah. High boost. Yeah. High boost is going crazy right now.
I told us to hit the high boost button. We hit the high boost button. That shit kicking like Bruce Lee right now. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, she's spinning, baby. She's spinning. That's all she's doing.
Yo, this shit boogie. I ain't gonna lie. She wanted to spin all the way up to whatever the fuck it was. Jesus Christ.
Ooh, STI wagon? Woo-hoo.
Yo, look at his plate. Look at his plate. He's nuts.
That's all.
How did he get away with that?
Bro, I have no idea. That's crazy, bro.
Like, that's a complete spelling. That's a complete spelling. How did he do that?
I love the wagon though. The wagon is pressure.
You never seen a fly-by wagon? He may have STI swapped it. Oh yeah, he STI swapped it. Yo, that shit is fire, bro.
Yo, man, as y'all can see, we're having a lot of fun with this one, bro. This is a very, very fire car. I mean, he got the bride buckets. Got Legacy in there, macking right now, cooling. You know it, you see it. We got the bride buckets in there. They fitted around the hip a little bit. It felt good. I feel nice and secure in this. It's a very comfortable ride, I can say that. We're riding at about 30 PSI on the bag, so it rides really low, but it's still very, very, very comfortable. The exhaust, the turbo flutter, everything about this car goes stupid. It's like, it's just a JDM fanboy's dream, you feel me? Like, I'm having a great time driving this. The high boost button is actually ridiculous. Puts it at about, I gotta check the video, but I think it was like 1 bar, whatever that is, maybe like 15 pounds, so that shit was going kind of crazy. We're gonna keep driving this thing a little bit more, and then we might slide it a little
Weird.
bit. Let's talk to him, bro. How you feel about this car, bro?
Great. I've never been in a right-hand drive. This is crazy. I don't know how you doing this comfortably with your left hand.
Bro, I'm used to it by now. Shout out to HBNY Imports. Those my boys, you feel me?
That's not my strong hand. It's not my strong hand.
It ain't. It really ain't. I can't bang them like how I normally bang the gears, you feel me? But we still banging them hoes. While we waiting for Dayon, we're gonna do a little bit more POV driving real quick. So right now we're about to take some rollers. We got Dayon in the back. We had this fire, little scenic spot, took some flicks.
Hey, you gotta relax. Hey, tell that bitch you gotta relax. Hey, moving dumb, ain't got no class. Hey, moving on that ass. Hey, baby, you gotta relax. Hey, tell that bitch you gotta relax. Hey, tell that bitch you gotta relax. Hey, moving dumb, ain't got no class. Hey, moving on that ass. GOATEDMOB, little bitch, that's mine. Take 2 puffs to the hydro, up in the sky, little bitch, I'm gone. Yeah, gamble with my life, I'm rolling the dice. Don't tell me what's my odds. Throwing that shade, but I got my shade, so you know I don't see no ops. I came with the drop top. Yo, bitch, want a leg lock. She touching my dreadlocks. Little bitch, she need to relax. Hey, told that bro she go relax. No pardon me, no call EB, cause I walk around towing that wap. Out in New York, they gon' call it a strap. Got me a stallion, she told she black. Walk on the woods, she twerk like she up to no good. I chop that tree down like an axe. Get what I want and I don't need the axe. No architects you with the skin like a black. Show me your dreams, shit, slide up 6, I had to keep that. Like easy, bro, you gotta relax. Chill. Hey, you gotta relax.
I'm gonna use this part to end the video. Shout out to Ty for letting me use this whip. Fire whip. Go follow my boy Ty.Ennis on Instagram. Follow Goated Mob. You feel me? We big mobbing. Bro, you're gonna see a lot more of this car. It's up for sale. He might keep it though. You know, he be changing his mind and all that. Definitely follow him. Follow the build. Follow the gang. Follow and sub to the YouTube. Your boy These Are The GOAT. We outside. We back outside. If you want me to drive your car and review it and do all of this POV, holla at me, bro. Hit me on the gram. These Are The GOAT. Goated Mob. We outside. Peace.